Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this shortest distance in a binary maze problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given a n into m size matrix grid, which is binary, means all the blocks contain either 0 or either 1, and we have to find out the shortest distance between given source cell and destination cell, so that all the path contain only one. Means we can traverse or we can travel if there are one like this. We can travel from cell which contain one. Like we are in currently in this cell, then we can go in four direction. Here it is written. You can move into adjacent cell with like the four direction, up down left right. Like from here I can move to up, move down, move right, and move left. But there is one condition as well. The value of cell should be 1. This cell should be exist and the value should be 1. Cell should be exist, value should be 1. Cell should exist, value should be 1. Cell should exist, value should be 1. So guys, here we can see this is just a BFS problem. We will gonna to use breadth first search. And how we gonna to apply it? Like if I copy it for a better understanding, if I copy it, okay guys, so initially we are given 0 comma 1. So this is our source. 0 comma 1, this is our source, or I should mark it as like this is our source. 2 comma 2, 0 1 2, 0 1 2, this is our. Okay guys, so how we gonna to like start it? So we know we have to take some move and we have to return the minimum number of steps. Where it is like mm, sorted distance, yes. Okay, it is given, so we have to find out the sorted distance. So is what we can say, this is our source. From source, sorry, source it is. From source we will take some steps and then reach to our destination. Okay guys, this is source. There are some sequence of step. I will write one because the all blocks should be contained one. Now guys, it can be like s is equal to d, means our answer should be 0, or it means like we have to take one more step, then the next index will be is equal to d, answer will be 1, means the number of steps we need to take, the number of steps we need to take. Okay guys, and all the blocks in which we are taking the next step should be is equal to 1. Now guys, we all know from a particular block s we can move to four direction. Okay guys, now here here initially the cost, the minimum step in our source is equal to 0 because we have not taken any step. Now in going all the four direction cost us one step. Okay, because we don't know in which direction we are gonna to find out our destination with minimum number of distance, with shortest distance. So we will take all direction like one. Now we know, from these four cells, okay, where I will go. Like now I will change the color because this is BFS problem, very famous BFS problem it is. These four are the steps from each particular cell where we can go. We can go or not. There are some zero, there are some cell that are out of boundary. That is different issue, but these are four cells. Okay guys. So now first of all we can see from 1 we can again go to S. It is it feasible for us to again go to S? No, it is not. And we know the value should be 1 because it is given to us that it is given to us like so it is given to us like source and destination always is equal to 1. Okay, like out of value is equal to 1. I read it somewhere. Okay, here it is. I don't find, but it is given to us that source and destination always is equal to 1. Okay guys, so means it is 1, so it is also 1. So we go here, then we go, then come back here, we go, come back here. So this will gives us TLE because it make a cycle one from S to 1, 1 to S, 1 to S, S to 1. Okay, so what we will do, after we traverse this particular cell we will make its value 0. We will make its value 0. Why 0? Now it means, now Okay, now it means we cannot traverse to it. Like from here we can go to 1, but from 1 we cannot go to 0. Why? Because its value is 0. It means either we cannot move to this particular cell, or we have already moved, or we have already used this particular cell. Okay guys, so if once I use a cell, I will not gonna to use it again, because I need to find out the minimum distance. Okay, so first of all condition, after traversing a cell, make it 0. After traversing, make it 0, because you know, if we are traversing it, then its value initially is 1, so make it 0. So we don't turn into a TLE again and again choosing the same cell. It can also gives you MLE, memory limit exceeded, because it is BFS. So you have to store each vertex or each block count I or j. So from this one, now we know, like we cannot move here, we cannot move, we cannot take this step, we cannot take this step, because this value is 0. Now we can take from each cell, we can take these 3 steps. Now one condition is here, all the blocks should be contain 1 and should be exist. Now guys, all the blocks that I am gonna traverse with from this block cost us 2 step, cost us 2 step. Same with this, same with this, same with this. Okay guys, now guys, if I am asking you from here to here, it cost us only 2 steps. Okay, but we don't know, like here is small match or small binary grid, just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. I am just writing 17 cell here, so you can see this already became a mess. Okay, like how can I move maximum, minimum cost is 0, but maximum can be anything. Like from here we come here, from here we come here, from here we come here, so the minimum cost here is 2. What is minimum cost? We should come from here. Okay guys, so if once I travel a block from a block, I will not gonna to move it from again. But we have to find out the minimum cost. So minimum cost is a total number of step I am taking. So what I will do, from all the steps, from all the blocks which cost me 0, I will traverse them all. Then I know all the next block that I gonna reach, like from 0, this one, this one and this one gonna cost me 1. So after traversing all the blocks with cost 0, I will have all the blocks that will give me cost of 1. Now after traversing all the blocks that gives me cost 1, like this, like this, like this and like this, I know the next block in my queue will all of cost is equal to 2, that will give me a cost of 2. Okay guys, so here we can see all the blocks are of cost 2, all the cost. Okay guys, because they are minimum distance is equal to 2, so from 2 it will gives me cost of 3, then after 3 it will gives me cost of 4. So cost is increased by just because from a particular cell, if I am moving in any direction, it will gives me cost of only 1. From 3 to 4, then I will again move, then it will 5, again move, then it will 6. Okay, so this is how I will move. So this is my source, this is my destination, so this will gives you cost me of 0, cost me of 0. Now this will cost me of 1, and we cannot move it again because we already make them 0. Cost of 1, we cannot move here, cost of 1. Now from this one we will gonna to all four neighbor, cannot move there, cannot move there, cannot move there. So exist one is cost will 2, and I will make it 0. Now from here I cannot move there because this 2 I make 0. Okay, because I have already traversed this. I cannot move here, I cannot move there because this is already 0, means either this is already used block or this is a block that will have value 0, so I cannot use it. I will make it 2. From here I cannot move this, move here, cannot move here with cost is equal to 2. Now in next step I will take the next step, from this 2 come here with cost is equal to 3, cannot move there. Okay, I will not want to move here 1, because here I can reach with cost is equal to 1. Then why I will traverse from 2 when I already move here with cost less than 2, then why I already make it 0 as well. So from 2 I can only go to this 3. Now from this 2 I can go to here with cost is equal to 3. So this is our destination cell as well. So I can see answer is equal to 3. Okay guys, So once all the 0 cell I will traverse, then all the 1 cell I will traverse, then all the 2 cells I will travel. Okay, and I will travel until I am not able to reach. And if my queue is empty, suppose it is given to me like this is a matrix given to me. Suppose like this. Yeah, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is my source, this is my destination. Then I will make come here in course 0. I cannot move there, cannot move there, cannot move there, cannot move there, because these two are out of bound, these two contain 0. So I never able to come to my D, so my queue will pop out this and queue will become empty. So if I am out of the loop, it means I never be able to return to my D, my destination, so I will return -1. Means it is not possible to me return -1. Okay guys, so because we are given in pair, so because I don't want to write again and again first second, so I will define fi first, sc second. It means instead of writing first, I can only write fi and it will same as writing first. Now I will take n is size, m is size of column, total number of column. Then I will take pair of pair q, push back my source, push back my source in my queue, and I will make my source is equal to 0, because I don't want to traverse from this block again, because this is already in my queue, means this is already visited. Answer is equal to 0 means I currently I have 0 number of steps, and these are the direction. Like how I am going to traverse is k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1. You can see all the four direction I will go to traverse: -1 0, 0 -1, 1 0, and 0 comma -1. Okay, all the four direction: -1 0, 0 1, 1 0, 0 -1. Now while my queue is not is equal to empty, means I have some cell from which I can make some move or some steps. Now my current size of queue means current size will contain all the blocks in my queue that have minimum number of steps is equal to my answer. Then for till I is equal to 0, till I less than q dot size, or means cur dot size, because q side again and again gonna update, because from one cell I can go to 4 maximum different cell, so my q cell will gonna update whether we can move or not move. Then how many cell move, 1 2 3 or 4. Okay, so it will max. So I will take correct size is my all the block size that have minimum distance of is equal to answer. Then for all the blocks I will gonna travel. Now x is my x coordinate, y is my y coordinate of the current cell with distance is equal to answer. Then I will remove that cell, and if my this cell is equal to d, means xy is equal to coordinate of my d, my destination, this is, then I will return answer, means this number of minimum steps answer I am able to reach my D. Now for all the four direction I will take dx, x plus dir k, dy is equal to y plus dir k plus 1. Okay, you can see. Now if my dx is a valid coordinate, if dy is also a valid coordinate, and v dx dy means v dx dy is equal to 1, it is it means it is not is equal to 0. Then I will make it 0, means I cannot make a move, and I will gonna to push back this in my queue. Then after travel all the blocks of distance is equal to answer. Now my next distance, like from 0, my next distance will be 1, then 2, then 3. So I will again gonna to increase my answer is the minimum number of distance. And if I complete this loop, means while loop complete and this step is never work, means my coordinate never became is equal to d, so I need to return on -1 now. Okay guys. Okay, so you can see all 124 test cases pass out. I hope you all understand the problem. This is a simple BFS problem. Time complexity is n square, because I am maximum gonna to traverse all blocks at least at most once. Okay, so I hope you all understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys.